Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I would like to practice English. How to make Teajus. Okay, English. Water in 1 glass and SQ and Teajus. The material: 1 glass, spoon, 1 spoon, and 1 pipette. Okay. Step by step. First, open the Teajus. Okay, open the Teajus. Okay, input Teajus in the glass. Then input no water. Okay. Then until 11. Next, input the SQ into glass. Five, six, 7. Okay. And finally, the Teajus is ready to drink. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for attention. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.